What's up, everyone? It's me, yours, Tree John Valencia, and I'm with...
Brian!
Welcome back to another particular reaction with...
Shoot ka, Brian! Dali! O, diba?
For today's video, Brian, syempre, magre-react tayo sa...
The Greatest Showdown! O, diba? Ituloy-tuloy na natin yan. Dahil na-reactan na natin kanina yung
As a Champions. At for today, Brian, nabalitaan ko nga.
Ano ba? Anong showdown yan? Sex ba?
The Greatest Showdown for today is celebrating an OPM legend.
Ay, ang tara. Sino naman yung OPM legend na yan?
Ito nga, celebrating her 40th year in the industry.
Alam mo naman!
Oo, kasi nga nabalita sa atin ito ni Robby sa kanikin.
Nanood!
Yan ay si Miss Ces Quesada. Odette Quesada.
Ces Quesada! Para papunta ng Ces Drilon.
Si Ces Quesada, yung comedian.
Oo nga!
Odette Quesada.
Odette.
Kaya naman, nagsacharot-charot lang. Kaya naman, Brad, syempre, tingnan natin dahil last week ang ganda ng The Greatest Showdown. Do it. So ngayon kaya, abangan natin. Kaya naman, Brad, ito na.
Abangan nyo na si Ces. Charot! Mga ka-Ces, let's go! Check this out! 1, 2, 3, let's go!
Ito na nga, Brian, ang The Greatest Showdown celebrating the legend, Ces Quesada.
Hindi Ces, Odette! Odette!
Odette Quesada.
Dahil dyan mga Ces, Bar, nagulat tayo na nga! In 3, 2, 1! Ces na Ces. Favorite mo ba si Ces? Pa?
Yan.
O, diba? Hindi namin magiging, impyernong stage.
Ganda.
Ganda, diba?
Puta Red.
Ay, siya pala! Ang ganda ng boses niya!
Siya pala kumanta niya.
Oh my God! Kamukha niya si Pelita Corrales na may Jamie Rivera, no?
Grabe, kahit ang tandaan niya. Parang
ang
original
ganda!
pa rin.
Ito yung mga quality voice ng mga sinauna, no?
Mga sinaunang Moira, ganyan.
Saka malalaman mong kanila yung boses na yan. Diba? Parang mga Eva Eugenio, no? Mga ganun. Parang ang chill-chill niya lang.
Parang Jamie Rivera, pero
diba?
pang love song.
Oo. Pero yung buhok pang Pelita Corrales. Ang yaman niya tignan, Day. Ang ganda! Parang recorded pero ang galing ng live niya, no?
Timeless vocal.
Correct, ang ganda.
Listen very eagerly, but deep inside you'll never see this feeling of emptiness. It makes me feel sad. Then again, then again.
Eh! Ang linis siya kumanta.
I'm glad.
Oh.
Eh!
Galing ni Miss Ces Quesada.
Oy, fairness ng galing.
Timeless.
Ang ganda talagang platform ng ASAP, no?
Is all that I can say.
Oh.
Deep inside.
Uy, happy
Kanya
birthday,
din-
Sir
Oo,
Ogie.
happy birthday, Sir Ogie, oh.
Each day,
Eh!
time won't let
Kanya
me
din pala
have
yan,
a
no?
chance. So I've got to see you even at a glance.
Parang do it ata yan eh, no? Alam ko, lalaking kumanta niyan eh.
Oh, parang do it na siya.
You mean to me.
Ang gwapo ni Ogie.
Since
Ganda ng aesthetic color.
Yung pagka-brown sa kamoka-moka.
Milky white.
No one knows the way but you.
Bagay kay
kay
mga
Ogie.
lumang kantang ganyan, no?
Saka yung mga chill-chill.
I know you can't you hear me? Oh, can't you please see through me? Oh, babe, I need your love so bad.
Ang ganda.
Give it a chance.
Ah, yes.
No lie, so please believe me. In my heart, you'll see me.
Hey!
Just gotta give me a chance. Give me a chance.
Ay, bongga yun ah.
Sir Ogie.
Give me a chance.
Hey, bongga! Ay, sino to? Shashua?
Ah.
Radio's fine. It helps me forget.
Sa kanya rin pa yun?
Baka siguro siya ang
Nagsulat?
kumanta dito sa Pilipinas, no?
Look back and recall those days I had.
Grabe, yun pala yung mga kanta na yung mga pang-chill.
Pang chill.
playlist.
Oo. Parang ang lakas makaano.
Pag umuulan,
Oo.
gusto mo lang mag...
Ang lakas maka Carpenters, no? Alam mo, hindi ko talaga siya kilala, Odette. Si Odette. Pero ang galing, no? At least ngayon, nakikilala natin sila. Na sila pala mga kumanta, pota.
You gave me all the reasons to live.
Hey, divine.
Ramdam na ramdam ni Miss Shasha.
Then you had to go. And I
Bakas
just
baka
got
goddess
to
ng
live.
outfit.
You know,
Greek goddess, no?
we talked to love again, just to make
Uso yung mga ganyan eh, flits, no?
Totoo.
another day spent without you. And I don't want to go on pretending that
Grabe siya pala kumanta.
Happy and blessed.
I should love again, to love again. And it will never be the same without you, baby. This pain inside me's driving me crazy.
Yung special falsetto ni Miss Shasha.
'Cause it's hard
At ayan na nga, di ba?
In fairness, naitawid ni Miss Shasha after ng labing. Charit.
O in fairness, ang gaganda ng mga kanta niya, no?
Ano ba, siya ang sumulat o siya ang kumanta?
Baka siya siguro kumanta ng original. Ang gaga, yun yung mga kinakanta natin sa video okay.
Yung mga playlist.
True, playlist namin yan sa video okay. Bagay kasi sa boses niya. What you say?
Si Darin. Ano?
Ang gwapo ni
Darin pala.
Darin. Di ba? Napapakanta siya. Hey! Sorry! Mga counterpart! Special way all the time. All the time. I've loved you and I always will. Call it crazy, but I know someday you'll feel this feeling I have for you.
Siguro ang tangkad nito ni Darin.
Ang tangkad ng ano. Tingnan mo kasi yung tindig niya eh, no? Kahit sa camera.
And here I am, struggling for words, I still don't know what to say. What to say.
Effortless.
Hey! Do
Don't know what to
whatever
do
you
whenever
want.
you want it. Don't know what to say. My heart is
When you
going
pass by,
when you pass by, I could fly.
oh, sorry.
Every minute, every second of the day, I treat you in the most special way. You're beside me all the time.
All the time.
All the time.
Sariling microphone yan eh.
True.
All the time.
Pa.
Kapot.
Eh! Angeline?
So last na. Tsare.
Hindi. Mary Jean.
Oo nga pala.
If I had shown what you really meant to me, maybe then you'd still be a
Ang
part
sakit-sakit naman
of
yung pagkakanta ni Anggi.
Pang teleserye.
I was wrong not to let you know this feeling that's hard for me to show. Since you've gone, I've always felt alone, feeling down and sorry for myself. I look at your picture and there I
Anong kanta to?
I'll
Niyahulaan ko,
make
Adi.
it through another rain without your sun.
I need you back.
Need you back.
I need you back. I need
Gundo
you
ng
Eh.
Bonnie Angel, no?
back. Please come back. You're the only one.
Oo nga, ang ganda ng kulay. Parang ano skin tone niya na.
I need you back. Let's start all over again. Share the love you had for me then.
Hey!
Share the love you had for me.
Hey!
Alam mo yung mga ganyang classic song, ang sarap kantahin kasi hindi sila mahirap kantahin.
True, oo. Kumbaga ano mo na lang dyan is kung paano mo siya bibigyan ng
Style,
justice,
oo.
o di ba yung your own style. Regine na ba? Oh, Regine na nga. Tangina, ang ganda rin yung kanta na yan! Oh, ang ganda ng outfit ni Regine!
Was for kids, just
Version niya
Nakakaiyak
talaga.
yung kanta na yan.
She's dating the gangster.
True.
and I could swear.
Siya ba nagsulat niyan? O siya
Siya yung kumanta siguro. Ramdam ko, te.
And no
Perfect ang ganang
Ay,
vocal.
no,
Uy,
ganda ng mga kanta ni Odette. Hey! Sama duet sila ni Regine.
never know what love was.
Oh, nakakaiyak.
isa sa pinaka-timeless.
Oo, na movie, no?
Saka love song. Grabe, ganda.
I love you more each day.
Kay Regine kasi sumikat yan, eh.
Together,
Can't you see?
Can't you see?
Tataas pa yan!
Effortless.
Bongga!
O yung version ni Kyla din, maganda.
Oo, ganda yung kay Kyla din.
Yung teleserye din pala ni
Oo,
Jay din yan, no?
correct. Bentang-benta yung team song na yan, you know? Oh my God! Ah! Oh my God!
Grabe.
Ah! Ang galing!
Grabe, at the age of 50, guys.
Oh! Oh! Nakakaiyak! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Ay, tapos no.
Tapos na? Oh my God!
Oo, kasi nga si Regina, kaya last na.
Correct.
Ang greatest show
The
namin
music
hapon
off. So,
dahil
ibig sabihin kanya lahat
sa musika
yun.
ng nag-iisang Odette Quesada.
Ang galing ni
Welcome
Miss
to Asap
Odette
natin to Miss
Quesada.
Thank you. It's so wonderful to be here. Truly, truly wonderful. Thank you for the medley of songs, and if I didn't know any better, ang gaganda.
Oh, di ba? Totoo, that's true.
Super!
Sabi ng isa pang manunulat.
Yeah, it's like it's like it's not my songs anymore. They're not my songs anymore. I feel like it's
Oh.
Thank you so much for your versions of my songs.
Thank you for your beautiful music.
So
It has
true.
become
Yes,
such
correct.
There you have it, guys. That is the greatest showdown celebrating the music of...
Says. Charot. Odette Quesada.
Grabe.
Oo nga, no? Tama nga si Miss Odette na hindi nga talaga makamove on ng mga tao, lalo ng mga Filipino, pagdating
Pag
sa mga
narinig yung
kantang
kanta niya,
yan.
oo.
And maganda talagang platform ang ASAP natin to. Kaya gaya ng mga sinabi natin ng mga nakaraan, ang gandang platform to kasi katulad natin 90s babies na tayo. Ikaw 80s ka na ba?
Kapal mo.
Pero hindi natin siya kilala. Pero ang alam natin is etong sila Regine kumanta, yung ganito.
Gandang version.
Ibang artist ang kumanta pero sila pala talaga ang original. Which is ngayon 'di ba? Nabibigyan sila ng highlights at saka kayo ang gumawa nito, kayo
Kanta,
gumawa ng kanta, kayo ang
kanilang
kumanta nito.
original.
Correct. Ang ganda lang din, panoorin din talaga na tong mga artista na to, yung ASAP ginagawa nila, even though na hindi na sila talaga lagi lumalabas sa sa TV, may pagkakataon pa din na every time that you want to celebrate your milestone as an artist, way back 90s or
Parang
80s, di ba?
Yun yung naging platform ng ASAP to
Oo,
celebrate the
Parang platform.
Tama naman, diba?
Platform!
Platform nga.
Sabi mo platform. Yung platform.
Yun yung naging platform
Oo.
ng ASAP
Yes.
to celebrate OPM music, celebrate the OPM icon.
I-highlight,
Yes,
magbigay
oo.
ng spotlight, di ba?
In celebrating their music. Kaya nga, di ba, a Sunday afternoon party and it's all a musical variety
Correct,
show.
totoo.
All about music and all about Filipino music.
Correct.
Ganun.
Ay, tatak Pinoy.
Kaya naman kung tatak Pinoy kayo, guys. And don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Lation Diaries. And also subscribe to...
Says Quesada. Shoot ako, Brian!
Once again, my name is Zan.
And my name is
This is
Brian!
True Lation Diaries with Tito and a particular reaction with...
Says Quesada!
Your own, you never know, you never know. Write off the things you've done, cause and looking up for some hope tonight. You try to stand up, but you thought
At sabi ng VIP naming van, mga akla, sorry, VIP sa Bangkok, Thailand. VIP sa Bangkok, Thailand.
your way. Took a few wrong turns, took a few breaks, and behind now looking for grace. Cause
Shoot